introduce myself. My name is Muribzar Liandri Santari from class 11 RPLB. Here I will explain about narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story with the purpose of entertaining, teaching moral values, or sharing experience with the readers or listeners. It is one of the most common forms of writing found in literature, films, fairy tales, folklore, novels, and even everyday conversations. Narrative text focus on a sequence of events that are connected logically and usually involve characters, setting, conflict, and resolutions. The main function of narrative text is to amuse or entertain the reader, but it can also be used to convey lessons, values, or cultural traditions. Through narrative text, authors can express their imagination, emotion, and views of life. A good narrative can take readers into a different world and make them feel what the characters experience. A narrative text typically follows a certain structure. The most common structure consists of 1. Orientation. This is the beginning of the story where the writer introduces the characters, the setting, and the general situation. The orientation helps the reader understand what is happening before the main events take place. 2. Complication. This part shows the main problem or conflict faced by the character. The conflict can be internal or external. The complication makes the story interesting because it builds tension and curiosity about how the problem will be solved. 3. Resolutions. The resolution is where the conflict is solved. Whether the ending is happy, sad, or surprising, it shows how the characters deal with overcome the problem. 4. Reorientation or coda. Some narrative texts include a reorientation or moral value at the end of story. This part often expresses the lesson or message that reader can learn from the story. The language features of narrative text usually include past tense because the event usually happen in the past. Action verbs such as went, sight, spoke, or held. Adverb of time and place like once upon a time, in a faraway land, or one day. Direct and indirect speech to show conversations between characters. Descriptive words to create vivid imaginary imagery. Descriptive words to create vivid imagery and make the story more interesting. Narrative text come in many different forms, including legends, myths, fairy tales, fables, short stories, historical narrative, and personal experience. For example, a fable like the tortoise and the hare teaches a moral about patience and hard work, while a legend like Malin Kundang tells a story that reflects cultural belief and moral lessons about respect and gratitude. In conclusion, a narrative text is more than just a simple story. It is a powerful way of communicating experience, emotions, and values. It allows readers to explore different worlds, understand various characters, and learn lessons by through imagination and creativity. By studying narrative text, we not only improve our language skills but also develop empathy, cultural awareness, and moral understanding.